Good morning, students. We have seen already 3 problems from the exercise under comparative statement method. We shall pass on to the 4th problem now. Problem number 4 from the exercise. In this comparative statement of Muthu Limited, comparative statement of Muthu Limited as on 31st March 31/3/2017, as on 31/3/2017 and 31/3/2018. As usual, we should open 5 columns. Five columns. They are particulars, then as on 31st March 2017, then as on 31st March 2018. So this is particulars, March 2017 rupees and 31st March 2018 rupees. There are 2 more columns. There are 2 more columns. One, absolute value, that is absolute amount of increase or decrease. Absolute amount of increase or decrease. This is plus, this is minus. Increase or decrease percentage. Increase plus, decrease minus, percentage. Now we shall do the problem, and before that we shall write the items what is given in the problem. One, equity and liabilities. And liabilities. Equities and liabilities. First item, shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Shareholders fund 4 lakhs 40,000. 40,000. Then second item, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. 1,50,000, 1,65,000. Then the third item, current liabilities. $75,000, 82,500. Then the total total 6,25,000 and 6,87,500. Then the second part is regarding assets. Second part is regarding assets. In this non-current assets, non-current assets 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs. Current assets current assets 1,25,000, 87,500. Then total of the assets total of the assets 6,25,000, 6,87,500. For this, we will have to fill up the two columns. The two columns we should fill up. These two columns. We shall try to find the percentage of this. Yes, yesterday itself I told you, you follow the formula what I have given. That formula is not given in the book. You just keep the formula in mind. Increase or decrease in the first year into 100. Increase or decrease divided by first year into 100. Let us find the increase or decrease in this problem first. The first one, 2017 4 lakhs, 2018 4 lakhs 40,000, therefore increase plus 40,000. 17 1,50,000, 18 1,65,000, that is increase. How much increase? 15,000. 165 minus 150, 15,000. Then 17 75,000, 18 82,500. So 82,500 minus 75, 7,500 is the increase. Then regarding the total, 17 6,25,000, 18 6,87,500. So increase only. How much is the increase? 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 62,500 is the increase. Then regarding the assets, 17 5 lakhs, 18 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs minus 5 lakh, 1 lakh is the increase. Then current assets, 17 1,25,000, 18 87,500. Here there is no increase. You should listen carefully. This is a decrease. The current assets are decreased in the next year. Therefore, this is minus. In all the above 5 items, only increase. But in this 4, 5, 6th item, it is only decrease. 6th item only decrease. How much it is? Minus 6, 500. Then 14 minus 7, 7. 11 minus 8, 3. 37,500 decrease in current assets. Right. Now regarding the total assets, 17 6,25,000, 18 6,87,500. So how much is the increase? So 62,000 increase only 62,500. 62,500. 62,500. This we have found out the absolute amount of increase or decrease. Out of these 7 items, 6 items are increase and the 6th item only is the decrease. So for the sake of our reference, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 items. And for all these 7 items, we should follow the formula and find the answer. Number 1, increase or decrease 40,000 by first year 4 lakhs into 100. You can cancel and 3 zeros, 40 by 4, that is equal to 10%. The first one percentage of increase is 10%. Then second one, increase 15,000 and the first year 1,50,000 into 100. 3 zeros cancel. Then 15 by 150, 10, 100 by 10, 10%. So the second item, that is 10%, non-current liabilities. Then current liabilities, there is increase. So increase 7,500 by the first year 75,000 into 100. The same thing, 10, 100 by 10, 10%. Then the fourth item, the total, this is 10%. Fourth item, the total increase 62,500 by the total in the first year 6,25,000 into 100. The same thing here, 10 times 100 by 10, 10%. And in total also there is 10%. Now we shall pass on to the assets. Increase, non-current assets, there is increase, 1 lakh. Whole divided by first year 5 lakhs. Now you can simplify 500 by 5, 20%. Then 6. Current assets. There is a decrease. Here the first item, that is fifth item, is a plus. All we can put a plus. Here this is also plus. The next item it is minus. Decrease or increase or decrease. 37,500 whole divided by first year 1,35,000 into 100. So we can simplify this. And the 1 0 cancel, and if you simplify this 3 times, 1 0 is therefore 30%. 30% decrease. 30% decrease. One lakh 25,000. $37,500. %. Then, regarding the total assets, 7th point, increase or decrease 62,500 whole divided by increase 62,500 first year 6,25,000 into 100. You can simplify and find this is by 10, 100 by 10, 10%. So on the whole regarding asset it is 10%. What is the difference between the previous problems what we have done already and what is now? What is the difference now? In the other problems what we have done already in yesterday's class, we will have to find the total, and if there is any income we should add additional income and the expenses we should minus it. Then we will find the final profit. Then from the profit the income tax is paid as per the instruction given, as per the percentage given. Finally we found the profit after income tax or after tax. We did it. Those items were selected from profit and loss account, but these items are selected from the balance sheet because Already I told you what is financial statement. Financial statement consists of manufacturing expenses or manufacturing cost, trading, profit and loss account, and the balance sheets. In the other problems, we have seen only the profit and loss account, etc. But in this problem number 4 and 5, the balance sheet items are given. There we have some idea or we have some work or assignment of finding or minusing the number or adding the number. All these works were given to us. But in these types of problems, the total has been made and the total has been given in the problem itself, like for liabilities and assets, and therefore no question of adding and subtracting here for these two columns. Only thing, we should find the difference, increase or decrease from these two. We have found out, we have found out, we have found out, and this is also we have found out. In all these 4 liability items, there is only increase, therefore I have put the plus. And in case of assets, non-current assets, first year 5 lakhs, second year 6 lakhs, therefore increase. How much? 1 lakh is the increase. In current assets, first year 1,25,000, then in the second year 87,500. So there is a decrease. Therefore, the value, how much is decreased? 37,500. Since it is decreased, it is minus. On the whole, for the total in assets, 6,25,000 in 17, 6,87,500 in 18. Totally, there is an increase. Therefore, it is a plus. For all these, we have found out the percentage. Increase or decrease by first year into 100. This is first one. Increase by first year into 100. The second year, second item. Increase by first year into 100. The third item. Total also increase, it is plus. Increase by first year into 100. Then for assets, increase by first year into 100. This only there is minus. Decrease by first year. Decrease by first year into 100. 30%. Since it is minus, I put the minus. On the whole total for assets, this increase only. Therefore, increase by first year into 100. This without written here. So, this is an easy type of problem. We are yet to see one more problem that we will see it now. We shall see now problem number 5 from the exercise. From the following particulars, prepare comparative statement of financial position of Kala Limited. Limited as on 31/3/2017 and 31/3/2018. And in this, different items are given. I shall write them first on the blackboard, then what to do we shall see. The first one, shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Under this, share capital, $3,60,000. The next item, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. The amount is 50,000, 50,000. Then non-current liabilities 2. So non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. 50,000, 40,000. 50,000, 40,000. 3. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Trade payables. Trade payables 20,000, 12,000. Total total 4,20,000 for 17, for 18 4,62,000. Then regarding assets, this is regarding liabilities. Then next one, assets. Regarding assets, 1. Non-current assets. Non-current assets 2,50,000. 2,90,000. 2,50,000, 2,90,000. Non-current assets, under it fixed assets. Fixed assets. Then the next item, non-current investment. This is A. B. Non-current investments. Non-current investments 50,000, 40,000. 50,000, 40,000. Investments, 50,000, 40,000. Then, in its second item, current assets. Under current assets, inventories. Inventories in the sense stock. Inventories, 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Cash and cash equivalents. And cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalents. 40,000. 32,000. 40,000. 32,000. Cash and the cash equivalents. Then finally, total. Total. Total it is 4,20,000. 4,20,000. Lakhs 62,000. So these are all the items given in this problem. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 items here for which we should calculations. We should do the calculations. There are 10 items. First, before finding out the percentage, we shall find the increase or decrease. You know, share capital 17 3 lakhs, 18 3 lakhs, 60,000. Therefore, there is increase plus reserve and surplus 17 15,000, 18 also 50,000. Therefore, dash. Is there any increase or decrease regarding reserves and surplus? Reserves and surplus nil, nothing. Okay, there is no percentage given because there is no increase or decrease, constant. Then the next item, long-term borrowings. First year 50,000, second year 40,000. There is a decrease. How much is the decrease? Minus 10,000. Then trade payables 17, 20,000. In 18, 12,000. There is a decrease. How much? 8,000. The first item only it is increase. Second item equal. Third item decrease. Fourth item also decrease. And the fifth item, the total 4,20,000, 4,62,000. Therefore, 42,000 increase. So plus. Then the next one, non-current assets. The first item, fixed asset. First year 2,50,000. Second year 2,90,000. There is increase therefore plus 40,000. First year 50,000, second year 40,000, there is a decrease. There is decrease. How much is the decrease? 10,000 minus. First year in regarding the inventories stock. First year 80,000, second year 1 lakh. There is increase. How much? 20,000. Regarding cash and cash equivalents. First year 40,000, second year 32,000. How much is the increase or decrease? There is a decrease. How much? 8,000. That is 8,000 decrease. On the total of the assets, first year 4,20,000, second year 4,62,000. Therefore, the increase is 42,000. 42,000. 20 plus 42, 62. So we have found out the absolute amount of increase or decrease. For increase we have put plus, for decrease we have put minus. And in this reserve and surplus there is no change. First year also 50,000, second year also it is 50,000. It is a constant, therefore no decrease or increase, therefore the percentage is nil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For these 9 items, we should find the answer. We shall find for this first. 60,000 increase by the first year 3 lakhs into 100. This is equal to, and 4 zeros cancel, 5, 6 are 30, 100 by 5, this is 20%. Therefore we can write 20% plus. Then second one, constant, there is no decrease or increase, therefore no answer for it. The third one, decrease 10,000 by the total 50,000 into 100. 1 by 5, simplify is 100 by 5, 20. 20%. Then the third item, second we have completed. The third item, it is minus, therefore minus 20%. Then the fourth item here, this is minus, decrease is 8,000. Decrease is 8,000 by first year 20,000 into 100. If you simplify, what you will get? 4 zeros, 80 by 2, 40%. 40%. Therefore, this is minus 40%. Then, the next item, total. In the total increase 42,000. Total of the first year 4,20,000 into 100 equal to, if you simplify this will be 10, 100 by 10, 10%. Then this is plus only, therefore plus 10. Then come to this point. Here it is increase 40,000. Increase by first year 2,50,000 into 100, which is equal to 4 zeros cancel, Simplify 25 and 100, 4. 4 into 4, 16%. 16%. Then decrease, in the next item decrease. 10,000. 10,000. By the first year, 50,000 into 100. If you simplify 5, 100 by 5, 20. Then the next one, therefore minus 20%. Next one, current assets. It is increased. How much? 20,000 by first year, 80,000 into 100. 20,000 by 80,000 into 100. 4 2s are 8, 100 by 4, 25%. This is a plus, therefore plus 25%. Next one, minus. Decrease 8,000 by first year, 40,000. 5 8s are 40. 100 by 5, 20%. 20%. Then regarding the total increase, 42,000 by first year, 4,20,000 into 100. This is 1 by 10, 100 by 10, 10%. This is 10%. This is the answer for this problem. I shall repeat once again. 20 nil minus 20 minus 40, 10, 16 minus 20, 25 minus 20, 10. Okay, good. Once again I repeat the same. And what is the difference between the first three problems and this? First three problems and this, what is the difference? In the first three problems, the profit is found out and how much is the income tax, it is compared. After paying income tax, how much was the profit? That is profit after income tax. That we have found out. But in 4 and 5, we are finding out the answer from the items found in balance sheet, that is liabilities and assets. So here, 31st March 2017, all the assets and liabilities are given. For 2018 also, liabilities and assets are given. And the difference is found out. If there is any increase, I put plus, and any decrease, I put minus. Generally, this is minus. Chinna or minus pannakudiya problem. Likewise, I did it. But this is the only case where there is no increase or decrease. It is constant. Therefore, the absolute amount of increase or decrease is 0. Therefore, the percentage will be 0 by first year into 100. You will get 0 only. That's why I put the dash. Very carefully you should do. Generally, what we will do here, say for example, 50,000, 40,000. So 10,000 you will write simply. But you should be very careful whether it is an increase from the first year or decrease from the first year. Only it is decrease from the first year. Therefore, it is minus 10,000. And here, trade payables also. First year 20,000, second year 12,000. Therefore, decrease from the first year. Therefore, minus. The same thing here also. This is increase. Therefore, plus. Here also 50 to 40 decrease, minus 10,000. Here 80,000 to 1 lakh increase, therefore plus 20,000. Here also increase, from increase to decrease, 40 minus 32, 8,000, that is minus. Decrease, there is minus. Therefore, with this increase or decrease divided by the first year into 100. Using that only the calculations are done here and completed.